I made my Thanksgiving menu. I went to Coin and shopped. My tutoring session went. Welcome to the vlog. Hello, ciao. Straight out of the gate, let's just talk about it. Last two videos have not been my best, in a little bit of a rut because I've gotten into a little bit of routine, which is good because I'm actually living here. I'm not traveling through Italy. I'm actually living in Italy, and when you live versus travel is an escape from life. Living is living life. So it's not always glamorous. It has really hard moments. You have moments of dullness and just burnout and all the above, and you have emotional moments, especially when you start a new life living abroad, or experiment with a new life living abroad. I was feeling a little bit low after Hannah leaving because I was so used to just seeing her all throughout the week, and her like energy always just got me so happy. So Hannah, I know you're watching this. So anyways, we have a lot of exciting things coming. A lot of exciting things. I finished it. I think I finished it. Ignore the little dots that I draw. I started doing this when I was in college because I don't have any artistic ability. So instead of doodling, I just would draw obsessive amount of circles. It was really weird. And then my other really weird thing about my handwriting, people always make fun of me for, is my like G's and my Y's. They're obnoxious. I made my Thanksgiving menu. So a Thanksgiving vlog is coming. I get to celebrate Thanksgiving here in Italy, and I'm so excited. My family asked, you know, what is a American Thanksgiving? What are the foods that you guys eat? And I was like, well, don't come for me. I'm sorry. I personally don't like, honestly, anything really on the Thanksgiving table. And I'm not doing that to be like, say that as a health nut. I really don't usually like the things that are typical, very, very, very typical. I mean, obviously a lot of things have changed, but the most traditional items on a Thanksgiving table in America are just not my faves. But then I was like, you know what? I'm probably gonna be incredibly emotional when I see everyone posting on social media all of their Thanksgiving stuff. So I said, heck no, I'm not gonna just dwell in my sadness. We're gonna do a Thanksgiving. So I have the menu put together. It's just a draft. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to find fresh cranberries. I really, you know, my aunt has told me 6 times now. She's actually really worried for me because she thinks I'm not gonna find cranberries. If you have an opinion of something I should add to this menu or switch out or something, I wanna hear your opinions. What should I spark the Italians with? At first I wanted to make an Italian Thanksgiving, and then I was like, I should make like traditional stuff so they can taste it, because no one has ever had, you know, maple pecan sweet potatoes in Italy. You don't find that here. They don't do the whole sugary thing mixed with savory foods. They really don't do that. But did I mention I'm making this entire thing all by myself? I'm starting on Friday night. We're having it on a Sunday. So pray for me. This vlog that's coming up in like, what, 2-3 weeks, You guys are gonna watch probably a disastrous Thanksgiving meal. So anyways, I'm just also trying to think in advance during Christmas time. I'm gonna try to make that super special, super beautiful. So bear with me for a few more like daily or weekly vlogs of routine stuff. I know they're getting kind of boring, but after the Thanksgiving video, it's gonna be nothing but really fun, festive, very hopefully entertaining videos. We're just trying to push through November, like get through November, and December will be so much fun. Yeah, sorry my vlogs have been a little bit boring. I'm doing the best I can, you know? Maybe probably not. Probably could always try harder. So I realized that. Create a zestful day, step number 5, because the 5 steps of create a zestful day, you guys know I always say that. Number 5 is try harder. Like, where can you look into your life, take a moment to pause, think about what you're doing in life, and where are things out of balance? Where are things you're not giving your 100% because you've checked out, you've mentally told yourself you can't, or anything like that. And you know what? We're gonna try harder. So this video is gonna be fun. It's gonna be so fun because look what I did. I swiped my credit card. Oh my gosh, look at that. So this store I went to over the weekend. Let's do a little weekend recap. Left off last vlog on Saturday. She took me to a new area of Rome that I've not been to called Prati. It is right next to the Vatican. I went to Coin and shopped in the mango department of Coin on Saturday. So I just decided that I was gonna get some clothes because I hate every single thing. Well, first of all, I didn't even bring a lot of winter things because my suitcase just didn't allow it. We had 50 pounds. 50 pounds is not a lot when it comes to over 3 months. So I knew I was gonna have to go shopping eventually anyways. Also, I've just been feeling like so blah about myself. So a new wardrobe was needed. I also wanted to think about how, like, yes, I am totally on a budget. Truthfully, like, I'm not over here ready to start spending like thousands of dollars on a new wardrobe or anything, but I also don't want to do Zara. And this is no hate to Zara or H&M or any of those stores. I'm not trying to hate on them. I just want to be more conscious about the environment and all of this fast fashion. This store Mango, it's only in Europe. You can shop online. Cutest clothes ever. Absolutely so cute, so classic, really good quality. They're trying to be more sustainable. Then we're gonna do a haul in a minute. But let's talk about Sunday because we can't have a Caroline vlog without another Sunday. It was a beautiful Sunday and all the windows were open in the morning and I could smell garlic literally through the streets as I was walking home from the gym. They take Sundays seriously here. It is a very serious matter and I love it. And I don't want this to change. This is something that I've added to my life that I don't want to change. I want to take Sundays super seriously. You treat yourself, you have a really good meal, you spend time with family and friends even, and go take a long walk somewhere cool in your city. So that's basically what we did. So let's recap another Sunday. So we have the
Dimmi.
ricotta
Sì, e
chocolate chip cheesecake.
Quelle mandorle.
This is almond cream. This is fruit cream. This is a cannoli. This is chocolate
Tiramisù alla ricotta.
ricotta. This is chocolate hazelnut.
Quella è cheesecake.
Cheesecake alla Nutella, pistachio, caramella, something.
Crema e cioccolato.
And then this.
Panna e fragole e crema.
Oh, che bello! Buona domenica.
And
And then after lunch, we went into my aunt and I took a long walk all through the city center, and I went to Via del Corso, which if you want to have the biggest headache of your life, walk down Via del Corso when you come to Rome. It is the most massively packed shopping street ever. It's hard to breathe, but it was worth it because I went and got more mango stuff. So this is gonna be a good haul. Monday and Tuesday, didn't vlog anything because power went out. Living in an abroad country where you have no control, where you don't know what's going on, and just, yeah, randomly, you know, eight buildings on the street, their power goes out. So Monday and Tuesday, yeah, those yesterday and the day before that were rough. I felt like this the entire day with my emotions, but we got through it. Monday and Tuesday are over, and now excuse me, so rude. And now it's time to do the haul. I'm gonna try to do this outside, even though the noise is for sure, oh God, I almost fell. For sure gonna get in the way. We're just gonna stay confident. We're gonna do this outside. So outfit number one, these pants are the loudest thing I've ever purchased. I don't think I can pull them off. Leave a comment, because these pants are just really wide. I don't think I can do it. I don't think they're flattering. Also, they're insanely long, so I had to roll them. All right, I love the fit of these pants way more. They are medium rise, so high rise comes up to about here. So they're not as high, so they're not as flattering around the waist, but they're way more flattering fit-wise. Really like that it's cream instead of white. I feel like cream is just a little bit better during fall and winter. So now we have cream on cream with the most adorable, stunning, love it, sweater, cardigan. So the thing about these jeans is I feel like they're just really tight around this area, but I have a feeling that they just need to be broken into. Like almost all jeans I've gotten that fit me perfectly are now way too loose for me. So I think I'm gonna keep these, even though they're not here, they only come here. I probably would rather have them more high-waisted, but I love the color and the fit so much that I'm just gonna not even bother thinking about trying to find them in a high-waisted version. So the thing with the last piece, why I love that cardigan, is because that sweater cardigan, it can go over dresses, it can go over like a silk tank top, and it's just a very layering piece, which I'm trying to figure out more layering, because I feel like layering, when you know how to layer, you look like you're put together, outfit-wise. So anyways, last outfit, I think it's my favorite. It's so basic, but it's my favorite because it's so comfortable. Like, so cozy. Obviously, when it gets way colder, I mean, today is literally amazing. Today is, you guys want to see how amazing today is? It's November 10th when I'm filming this, just so you know, and it's 72 degrees. It's a friggin' gorgeous day. People are still wearing their winter coats though. Anyways, this is perfect for a day like today where I know it's gonna get colder when the sun goes down, but when it's like really cold, I feel like brown tights with some brown boots or some high boots, like over the knee boots, if I can eventually get to the point where I can start accessorizing better, would be the move. I think that's a wrap. I've tried on, I could obviously make like a bunch of more outfits out of the pieces that I got, but those are just the pieces that I bought. So those are the outfits out of the pieces that I bought. I think the only thing I'm gonna return are those white jeans. Let me know. Be honest, brutally honest. What was flattering, what wasn't? What should I keep? All right. I think I'm done with my little fashion show. That try-on took way longer than I thought. It's now 4:04. I thought that was gonna take way less time, but it didn't because I'm Caroline and everything I do on YouTube takes a lot of time. I can't just be quick and snappy. Anyways, I was gonna go to a really cool park today and show you guys a little bit around Rome, but the sun sets in about an hour and a half and there's just not enough time. I also have to do a ton of studying tonight because I meet with my tutor tomorrow. I decided not to do classes and to get a tutor because my Italian, apparently my aunt has said this, my grandma has said this, everyone's been saying this, my Italian's gotten so much better that I don't need to repeat classes that I've already taken in college and all that stuff. It's just, there's just some very specific details, very specific things that are just terrible with my Italian. So that is the little update that I have been meaning to share with you. What vlog was it? I think it was my first week in Rome vlog. I did say I signed up for classes. I actually ended up canceling that. It's getting gray. I think I'm gonna make some tea and we're gonna sit down and work through my Italian knowledge and come up with some questions that I've just been struggling to do, to say, to figure out, so I can be prepared for my tutor tomorrow, so we can make the most of it. All right, I'm rambling. Shut up, Caroline. Ciao, on the way to the bus right now. I'm a little bit nervous to have this little tutoring session because I'm afraid I'm gonna get a punch in my ego and she's gonna tell me I'm not as good at Italian as my family is claiming that I am. I don't think I'm good because I still struggle, and struggle to me means failure and that I just need to do so much more. So anyways, long story short, we're walking to the bus. So far we're on time. Who knows if the bus will not be on time. Let's go adventure, and I ideally want to go do more things after today's. It's only going to be an hour of a tutor session. So we're gonna see if we can do more things. I don't know if it's gonna rain. The sun sets at 4:50. It's almost 2:30. We'll see how much time we have. But let's just not step in this mud. So it's a couple hours later. My tutoring session went incredibly well, I think. In conclusion, my tutor said, I can definitely speak enough. I can understand enough. I'm definitely just good enough in general. There's just so many details that I'm getting wrong grammatically, and that things I know, I just need a revision of. So anyways, where I met my tutor is very close to this villa called Villa Torliona, which is a very famous, somewhat small villa in Rome. It's something I love so much about Rome, is there's a lot of like green spaces within the city, really big like parks and villas and stuff. So we're gonna do a little bit more walking and then get on the bus to go home, and you'll never guess what I'm gonna do once I get back home. You'll never guess. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Okay, so one day has passed since we last talked. Oh, I almost broke this chair. It is Saturday morning. I have been sitting on my butt all morning, took the day off from the gym to edit this video, to finish editing this video. I spent all day yesterday, which was Friday, editing this whole thing. Like literally, it's all I did yesterday was work out, work, eat, edit all afternoon. And then the most fun thing I did yesterday was I went to the grocery store and made some homemade pizza with my aunt and her boyfriend, and I actually spent the night here at their house. I love being here because it's so quiet and calm and a nice refresher from crazy Rome. But obviously the birds are still very loud. Anyways, long story short, we're gonna rush and just wrap up this vlog right here, right now, because I'm leaving in a few hours to do a new adventure today. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of this, if you aren't already, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you can know when I upload. And until next time, I hope you create a very zestful day. Ciao.